The present perfect continuous tense is a versatile and dynamic grammatical structure that is widely used in the English language. When it comes to music,
This tense is often used to portray ongoing and continuous actions or situations. In this essay, we will explore how the present perfect continuous tense is utilized in song compositions to convey various emotions and stories. One prime example of the present perfect continuous tense in music can be found in the song I Have Been Waiting by Lil Peep and I Love Matt Connon featuring Fall Out Boy. In the chorus of the song, the lyrics, I have been waiting for you for the whole week, clearly demonstrate the continuous waiting that the singer has been experiencing. This use of the present perfect continuous tense creates a sense of anticipation and longing. Another notable example is the song I've Been Loving You by Otis Redding. In this soulful ballad, the singer expresses his enduring love for someone with the lyrics, I've been loving you too long to stop now. The use of the present perfect continuous tense here emphasizes the continuous nature of the singer's love, highlighting its depth and persistence. The song Haven't Met You Yet by Michael Bublé is yet another example of the present perfect continuous tense in music. In this uplifting tune, Buble sings about his optimistic belief that he will eventually meet the love of his life, stating, I have been waiting for a long time. The use of the present perfect continuous tense in this context conveys a sense of hope and anticipation for what the future may bring. In conclusion, the present perfect continuous tense is a powerful tool in music that allows songwriters to convey ongoing actions, emotions, and experiences. By analyzing song compositions that utilize this tense, ESL students can deepen their understanding of English grammar and enhance their appreciation for the storytelling capabilities of music. By listening to and studying songs that use the present perfect continuous tense, students can improve their language skills while enjoying the artistry of music.